This dance is called Choosin Texas. It's a 24 count, 4 walls, beginner level line dance. There is no tag and restart for this dance. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 start with your right foot, do a modified rumba box. Side together, forward shuffle, side together, back shuffle. With a count, section 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, rock back recover on your right. Rock recover, shuffle, half turn to the left. Quarter together back, rock your left back, recover on right, and shuffle, half turn to the right. Quarter together back. So section 2 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, step your right back with a hook on the left. Step back, hook, forward shuffle, forward together, forward. Skate, right and left, skate, right and left. Rock, recover, right, recover on the left. And you end the dance here. The last section with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you end the dance here, you will start a new wall by making a quarter to your right. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And you start the dance facing 3 o'clock here. Let me go through the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. New wall. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6,